Oh, anyone can tell
Page
me
number 42 and 42 till 45.
in which book
Sir, in
you enjoying, huh?
yes.
Okay, listen to me carefully. These are very important questions and sometimes asked in the examination. So please take it and see it carefully. Okay. Okay, I am sharing your screen. Yes, my screen is visible to you?
No, sir.
No? Okay, let me check once again. Yes, beta. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am putting you everyone on a mute, so see it and watch it carefully. Okay.
Sir, give the link on the group. Some students don't know how to join.
Okay. Wait for a second. Just wait. I'm sharing the link.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Myself, Mandasha Mariam.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum
Myself,
assalam.
Mandasha Mariam.
Walaikum assalam.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Myself, Kulsum.
Walaikum assalam. Okay. So we are open page number. Yes, tell me.
Sir, we have done yesterday reciprocal.
That's
So
very
you
good.
will
Beta,
explain
today we
the
are
topic.
going to enjoying 42, 45.
Yes, sir.
Sir, today we will do join page number from 42.
Okay. New enjoying workbook. Okay. Open, yes, everyone open page number 41. 42, basically. Yes, beta. Everyone opened it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Myself, Zainab. Yes, sir. Opened.
Okay. So,
Sir, which chapter?
beta, for page number 42, new enjoying. See on the board.
What, sir? Your voice not coming properly.
I am saying that see on the whiteboard. Okay.
Sir is saying to take out workbook new and join. Page number 42.
Okay. Everyone take out. Yes. Everyone
Sir.
seeing it. Question number 1. See question number 1. Yes. Everyone seeing question number 1.
Sir, page number 42.
Yes, beta. Please open fast because I have to cover
Sir,
this.
I'm open. I'm asking that we have to solve.
Okay. Yes, you can solve, or if you have any problem, then you can tell me. First, I am telling to you, Raju has 26 stems. Okay. How many Raju stems have? Raju, 26 stems. Okay. And 26 more than of Suman. 26 stems more than Suman. Okay. Is it clear? If Suman has 95, how many Suman have? Suman has
Sir, 20 more than Raju.
26 more than Raju.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell me how many stems does Raju have? Tell me Raju's stem.
Sir, telling, wait, I'm doing solution.
Okay, don't write the answer. Just you also solve it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, please wait.
Okay. Okay. I am waiting. Do it fast because I have to cover also other pages. Anyone?
Sir, we'll do add.
Please think yourself. I am telling you, Raju has 26 stems. Okay. You have
Yes, sir,
suppose
I'll
that you
see.
have
Sir,
20.
we will do add and our answer will be
Yes, 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 yes.
121 stems.
Because you are having 5 more chocolates than your brother.
Yes, sir, it will be 121.
Because, sir, Raju has 26 more stems than Suman, and Suman has 95 stems.
As
So,
So
sir,
it's
we will
asking
plus
that how
90,
much Raju
95.
has.
We will
Add
add
it, then
26.
we'll get the
So,
answer.
so our
I am,
answer will
I
be
am muting you
121.
all. Okay. So everyone,
Sir, we will submit the solution.
follow full complete steps. Okay. Means Suman has 95. Okay. 95 stems are already there. Okay. 26 stems more. So you have to add them. Okay. It will be 121 steps in total. Very good. Now please try yourself question number 2 and send it to me right now. Fast. See question number 2. Runa has 26 stems. Okay. Sorry. Runa has some cows and sheep. The number of sheep is 3 times that of cows. If the total number of animals is 32, how many of each animals does she have? So there are cows and sheep. Okay, what is the relation? Relation is the number of sheep is 3 times that of cow. Relation what is given here? Number of sheep is 3 times, means number of sheep is 3 times that of cows. Okay, this is the relation given to you according to this question. Means you have to number of sheep is 3 times more. So you have to, and also second information which is given in the question is total number of animals is 32. So total number of animals is equals to 32. Okay, then you have to find number of cows and number of sheep. Let me check. Smart's message has come. Okay, beta, wait, Mantasha, I am telling you. Okay, 32, 4. Okay, that's good. But you will write Isma. Isma, the answer is correct, but you should write the relationship also. Okay. How you will find it? Okay. Answer I said tell it to you that steps are also important, not only the solution, not only the answer. Okay. Yes, anyone raising hand? Yes, beta Mantasha. Tell me fast.
Sir, I'm not getting question number 2.
Beta, question number 2 is very, very easy. What just you do? You have to find the number of cows and number of sheep. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Total number of animals are given to you. And what is the relation? Means how many cows are there and how many sheep are there. So see.
Sir,
Okay, okay, beta. Who is this? Yes, see it carefully. Everyone, see it carefully. Question number 2. Okay. Solution. Okay. Number of cows means let number of cows. We don't know the number of cows, so we suppose number of cows as X. Okay. And number of who is the sheeps. Okay, number of sheeps is equals to Y. Okay, so how many
yes,
total
sir.
there? So X plus Y means sheeps plus cow is equals to total is 32.
36,
How
32, sorry.
32? Okay, so you can also write this. Okay, before this you can write this also. Total number of cows and total, you can add this is the total number of what is this, animals. Total number of animals is given as your 32. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you can and what is the relationship given to you? Relationship is given to you that sheep, number of sheep is 3 times, number of sheep is 3 times that of cows. So
Yes, sir.
sheep is more, na? So how many more? Means 3 times more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it will be 3 times more. And how will you write it? 3 times more. You can make an equation that is X plus 3Y is equals to
32.
32. Okay, and total number is given to you is X plus Y is equals to 32.
32.
Okay, then you will solve it. Okay, no, not like this. Okay, not like. Okay, it's to the number of total number of animals is 32. Okay, okay. Yes, so it is written as if anyone can solve it. Number of cows is 3 times more than number of sheep. 3Y plus X is equals to 32. Now using this and total number of is given to you is 32. So you can write, you can find the value of X and Y.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do it. Or you can write this way also, that if linear equations basically is not. Aksar, Ryan, what you are doing? Yes, please send. Yes, anyone using the relation you can do it. It will be 8 cows and 24 sheep. Okay, so
Yes.
yes, solve it and tell it to me.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have sent you question number 1. Check.
Okay, I am checking. Try to do this.
Okay, sir. Doing question number 2. Oh.
Yes, anyone?
Sir, please wait.
Anyone send me? Just tell me if anyone send. Okay, you can write this. This is very easy. Okay, in a very simple way, you can say cows are, you can don't write this equation. Okay, you can don't write two equations of y and x. You can see it, solve it very easily. Number of cows is x, the number of sheep will be 3 times x. Okay, because it is given to you, it's 3 times x. Okay, so x plus 3x is equals to 32. Yes. Ubada, yes beta Ubada. Yes Ubada.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I'm saying that I have sent
O-
the
okay,
solution of
okay.
question number 2.
Okay, so you can write this 4x is equals to 32 and x is equals to 32 upon 32 upon 4. That then it will be your 8. Okay, this you can write with x only. Don't write of y because it is of 2 variable. Yes, Zainab. So you get 8. 8 will be cows because x, you suppose x as a 8. Okay, this is your x, and cows, you find cows as equals to 8. Then sheep will be, number of sheep will be 3 times. 3 times into 8 means it will be 24. Okay, is it clear to everyone what we do? I am telling you again. First, we solve number of cows given to you x, we don't know, and we know the relationship, means sheep are 3 times more than cows. So this is given to you, and another information is given in the question is total number of animals, that is 32. Is it clear? So
Yes,
what is the
sir.
relation? Means total number x, and means x cows plus sheep will be 32, means total number. Then 3x plus x will be 4x, and you will find it. Yes, solutions are coming. Let me check. Yes, Zainab, you are correct. Aksar Rehan. Aksar Rehan, I'm telling you this question. Question number 2. Send me. Okay. Number of cows is given as take as x, because and number of sheep are given and take as 3x. So total number is given to you. Add them and find the value of x.
Okay, sir.
Ubada, that's correct. Ubada. Ubada, it's your writing. Isma has come. Very good. Okay. Now please see question number 4. It is very, very important and confusing a little bit also. So see it carefully. Yes, Kulsum and Zainab.
Sir,
Yes,
I'm
tell me
not
both. Yes, tell me.
clearly.
Huh?
Hello.
What you are saying?
Question number 2.
Question number 2, just I explained, beta.
Sir, I have seen, but I'm not understanding. What are you telling?
Beta, I am saying that read the question. What is the information given in the question?
So it is given that 32 total animals are there, and then they are saying that the number of the sheep becomes more than cow.
Means,
And then they are saying
so use that information. The number of cows you take it x because you don't know, and number of sheep is take as 3 times of x because it is given it is 3 times of cows, and you know total number is 32. So using this relation, that is x plus 33x. Okay, this relation you solve it and you find the value of x. And what is x? X is cows. So you, whatever the value of x comes, it means that number of cows are what is the value of x? It's represent number of cows. Okay. That's very nice, Asma. You done it. Question number 3 also. Cool. Okay. Raju has 121 stems. Question number 1. Okay. Question number 1 is very easy, beta. 26 stems they already had, and 95 stems Suman has. Okay. So how many total will Raju have? So they already have 95 and 26 are added to them. So when you add them, you will get the total number of stamps does Raju have. Yes, please listen. See it, question number 3. Okay, it's very a good question. Okay, just I am explaining it to you. Please try it yourself. Okay, a cycle shop had owner had 36 handlebars. Means what is the information given in question number 3? A cycle shop, a cycle owner is there. Okay, and it has 36 handles. Okay, 36 handles. Handlebars means the handles which is used in a cycle, that is called handlebars. Okay, and 84 wheels. How many wheels are? 84. Okay, 84 wheels are there. And what is the other information? He wanted to use all the handlebars and wheels to assemble bicycle and tricycle. Means with the use of these handlebars and wheels, they used to assemble or means made cycles. 2 cycles they have to made. One is bicycle, or we can say bicycle, and one is tricycle. Okay, so how you have to use these number of wheels and number of handlebars to find out how many bicycles are made and how many tricycles are made. Remember this thing, these all 84 wheels should be consumed, means there should be no wheel left. Okay, so first of all, everyone knows that in one cycle there is one handle. Okay, and in one bicycle there is two wheels. Okay, means one cycle or bicycle has one handle and two wheels. Okay, and
Sir,
next information is given to you is that and tricycle also has one handle and three wheels. So how many bicycles and tricycles are there? This is very important. Means 36 bicycle should be there because 36 handles are there. Okay, and every cycle has two wheels. So 36 cycle has how many wheels? 72 wheels. Okay, is it clear? So
yes,
and
sir.
also if you want to make tricycles, so how we can make tricycle? We have to use we have attached one more wheel to them, so that the bicycle get converted into tricycle. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please try it, and yes, please, and everyone send me your queries because I will see it. Whatever. Okay, I am checking. Some queries are coming. Some solutions are coming. Okay. So first thing is that how many handles are 36 handles? 36 handle means there are 36 bicycle. Okay, and in 36 handles, and each bicycle has two wheels. So how many 36 bicycles have? It will have
Sir, 36 into 2.
That's very good. 36 into 2, that is 70.
We will get 72.
72 wheels are there. Okay, total.
Yes.
And you
Yes.
are detaching the wheels, means one wheel you take it and add it to the bicycle. Okay,
Yes,
then
sir. Then
the
84
bicycle
minus 72.
well, yes, very good. Okay,
12.
then what happened when you subtract it? How you will subtract it? When you have to subtract 84 minus,
84 minus 72, 12.
okay, 84 minus 72. It will be your 12.
12.
Okay. So 12
Then,
tricycles. Yes.
yes,
Yes.
sir.
Tell.
20 and 12 tricycles and 72 minus means 72 minus 12, 24 bicycles.
72 minus 12. That will. It's not 72. It will be. Yes. 72 minus 12. Then it will be 0. Then it will be 60. How come? Yes, beta. If we subtract this, then how come it will be the answer?
Sir, 72.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, we have multiplied 36 into 2. That's came 72.
Yes.
So then we have subtracted 84 minus 72. It's 12.
Okay.
Then we have to
These
subtract
what is
7
this? What is this? 12 is number of.
tricycles.
These are tricycles. So bicycles are. Yes, beta, you are sending me. Okay, I'm. Yes, tricycles are. How many tricycles left?
Sir, wait.
Yes, tell me fast. You have to subtract total. There are 36 cycles, na?
Yes,
12
sir.
is already
70.
made. 12 are already made tricycles. So left over will be. It will be 12. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 24. So 24 bicycles are there. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Beta, if you are concentrate, then you will understand the question number 3. 36
Yes,
handles
sir.
are
It's
there.
easy.
It's very easy, but just try to concentrate. Okay. And yes, Ubada. Okay, good.
Sir, I'm doing the solution and sending you.
Okay. Yes, Aksar Rahman. You may 8 cows and sheep will be 24 because it is given to you that it will be 3 times of sheep. Okay. Yes, see it carefully, beta.
Sir, how we will be doing question number 3? I'm not understanding.
Easy very much.
Yes.
Sir, question number 3, sir, please explain once more.
Beta, in question number 3, okay. In question number 3, cycles owner is there. Okay. He has to make cycles. One bicycles are he has to make, and tricycles he has to make. And for making bicycles, handles are used and wheels are used. So how many handles are given there? 36 handles are given. And how many wheels are given? 84 wheels. So everyone knows that in a bicycle, 2 wheels are required, and in tricycles, 3 wheels are required. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how many, if 36 bicycles, because 36 handles are there, so 36 bicycle has to be made. So if 36 bicycles are there, then how many wheels? And it will be twice now, because every bicycle has 2 wheels. So 36 bicycle will have 72 wheels. Okay. So 72 wheels are there. Is it clear? Okay. And if we,
Sir, I have sent question number 3.
okay, I will check it. If 72 wheels are there, so how many wheels are left total? 84 are total, 72 are consumed. 12 wheels, you can say 12 wheels are left. So if you are adding it, and 12 tricycles will be made. Okay. And 12, because 12 are already made. So as I am saying, 36 cycles are there. So just subtract 36 minus 12, you will get the number of bicycles. Is it clear? try it once again, and if it is not possible, if it is not clear to you, send me the solution, then I will tell you again. I am telling this, beta, see it again. 36 handles are there, so it means that 36 bicycles are should be there, because every one cycle has one handle. Okay, and 36 bicycle has two wheels, so it will be 72. Okay, total wheels are given to you as 64. It is given in the question. Okay, so if we subtract it, so how many wheels are left? 12 wheels are left. When you add
Yes.
one wheel, so 12 bicycles should be there, and total bicycles you made it 36. So just subtract it, and you will get the number of bicycles, tricycles.
Sir, after 84 minus 72, 12 answer is there. Then after that, what we will do?
Beta,
36 minus 12.
why? Because listen, 36 bicycles or 36 are already there, na? 36
Yes,
are
sir.
total cycles. 12 we made tricycles. So we have just to get the number of bicycles, we just subtract it, na?
Sir, answer is 24.
Yes.
Yes, 24 bicycles and 12 tricycles.
Okay, you have to please listen, everyone. You have to complete this also, because remaining are very easy. Remaining questions are very, very easy. Just move to question number page number 44.
Okay, sir. Sir, decimal, new chapter.
You already decimal you already read in the main maths book.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just we have to write the place value. Everyone will do it. This page is very easy. 44.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you can also do page number 45 also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these two, yes, if anyone having problem, please once again you can see this exercise on page number 42, and I will tell it again. Okay, this okay, yes, just raise your hand if you want to talk. Yes, I mute you, unmute you.
Sir, I'm asking query in question number 4.
Question number 4. Beta, this is the very, very easy question. Question. Simon has farm. I am explaining you because if I solve, then you first try, then I will check. Then I tell you what's your mistake. Simon has a farm, and in which he has a cattle and poultry. The total number of animals and birds together is 24. The number of legs, the total legs of animals and birds together 78. How many animals and how many birds are there? This is very, very easy question. Okay.
Sir, I want to say that I have submitted question number 3 at your personal number. Question number 3 solution I have.
I will check it. Okay. If I check, listen, if I check right now, then it takes time. So I will explain it. You send me, and if you are having wrong, then I will tell you, and you resend me. Okay. So
Okay,
in
sir.
question number 4, Shimon has a farm in which he has a cattle and poultry. Means they, what are they? They are cattle and poultry. Okay. The total number of animals and birds. So total number is 24. Okay. The total number of legs of animals and birds. So
38.
total number of legs is equals to 78.
78.
Okay. How many animals and how many birds? You know animal, how many animals have legs? Animal has 4 legs.
2 legs. 4
No.
legs.
Cows and these things, how many legs they are?
Sir,
4.
No, that's birds have obviously 2. You see any bird having more than 2 legs?
Sir, insect have 6 legs.
Beta, insects are birds. Insects are birds. So this is yes.
Yes, sir. Birds 2 legs and animal 4 legs.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you can talk. I open the mic for Mantasha and Ubada. Yes, Ubada, continue. What you are saying? I opened your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I'm just saying that I'm doing all the solutions and
Please send me stepwise. Okay, I will see it after the class because
Sure.
beta, this see question number 5. Everyone see question number 5. This is very, very, very easy. Just it is a game of language.
Unit of measurement.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask that what will be the final answer in question number 4?
Beta, 9 birds are there. Okay.
And
Yes, sir.
15 are the 15 are the animals. Okay. Because they sum up of 24.
1 by 10.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Please open.
So
Yes.
I have to ask what will be the final answer of question number 4.
Okay. Send me the solution with the steps. Don't write the answer. Nobody just send me the answer. Send me with the complete steps.
Okay, sir.
Question 4.
Yes, beta. Please see question number 5. This is very, very. I am a unit of measurement and I am 1/10 of 1/10 of 1/10 of a meter.
Sir, I think 1 millimeter.
1/10
Millimeter.
of
Sir,
1/10.
question number 5 is page number. Sir,
42.
1 upon 10 of 1 upon 10 we have to multiply because of means
Of
multiply.
me, very good, mashallah. 1 of means multiply 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10, and 1 upon 10. So it will be 1
Sir,
upon
the 10
1000.
tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. 1 upon
Okay.
1000.
So how many 1 upon 1000? What is this in 1 meter? 1 upon 1000 is centimeters. 1 upon 1000 or millimeters are there. 1000 is what? Meter or centimeters in 1 meter?
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
I am saying that 1000 centimeters are present in 1 meter or 1000 millimeters are present in 1 meter.
Sir,
1 meter.
millimeter.
1 meter has 100 centimeter and
Yes, sir.
1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter into 10. So it will be 1000 millimeter. Okay. So 1000 is
Okay.
here. So 1000. So I am a millimeter. You can say.
Yes, sir, 1000 millimeter.
Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Anyone send question number 4?
Sir, I am sending you question number 4 because I am having some problem. So I am sending you in question. So I am sending you question number 4.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. Send me. Now see question number 6 also. I am a number. Some says I am a fraction. Some says I am not a proper. I know my value is 6. If I have a numerator 24, then what fraction I am? No, but don't say like this. Do it proper way.
Sir, because if we will write the numerator 24 and like denominator 6.
Then
So if we will simplify it, 6 1 the 6, 6 4 the 24.
yes.
Sir, I have sent you question number. Sir, I have